His first camping trip with Dad.
A summer filled with reading and writing. Elementary schools across the district are hosting the extended year summer reading program, keeping students engaged and growing in literacy.
We have students engaged in fun and educational activities to read, write, and with scientific inquiry. We have around 750 students participating across all of our elementary schools for the month of June.
The students are also exploring STEM through a variety of interactive activities.
Project Lead the Way Launch uses hands-on experiences to merge ELA and scientific inquiry to our students.
Here at Okatie Elementary School, students are digging into a STEM lesson, exploring owl pellets, and uncovering what's inside.
We are ripping out owl pellets with toothpicks and tweezers, and we are finding the bones of rat, mouse, and birds.
We're trying to find what owls eat, and we had to dig it and find some bones, and we have this paper to put the bones.
Students are also taking part in several educational activities, all focusing on strengthening their reading and writing skills.
I like to write. It's just so interesting. You can write about your life, and it's fun. I like writing about my friends too.
I like to read stories. I really like to read Babysitters and Little Sister. It's really interesting, and one time I finished 3 books, and it's so interesting.
The extended year summer reading program is a great way for students to stay engaged academically over the summer.
The goal of this program is to help our students keep reading, writing, and learning in the summer, and so that when they leave for the rest of their summer break in July, that they have the tools they need to continue to practice, and when they come back to us, they are ready to learn, and we have helped support them to not experience the summer slide of academics.
The extended year summer reading program is 14 days long.
This word means to hold something together with
At Okatie Elementary School,
side.
Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.
This verb means to